in Google Docs, so it's really easy. So let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open your browser. It could be anything you want, Google Chrome, Safari, whatever. And after you've chosen it, just go to docs.google.com right here, and you should be in this page. You can either choose to use a new file or you can go back to your old one. And after that, you just need to look at the top left corner where you have options like File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Tools, Extensions, Help. Just go ahead and tap on Insert right here. Now you have options like Image, Table, Drawing, Chart, Emojis, and many more. So an image is a picture, so just go ahead and tap on Image. If you want to upload from your computer, you can choose this option. If you want to search the web, you can choose the second option. There's also the option to choose from drives, photos, camera, or by URL. Just go to tap on search the web. Now just search for pictures. And just tap on the picture you want to insert. And now tap on the option insert. And as you can see, you have successfully added a picture in your Google Docs. I hope this video is helpful for you. Leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.